Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Daily Crypto News. And now, my big question of today is: do you hold any Chainlink, Cardano, or Vechain? Let me know in the comment section down below, yes or no, and let's get on with the video. Now, the reason I am asking you this is because these coins are outperforming the market like crazy. Cardano up 5%, Chainlink up 10%, and Vechain up 7%. It is ridiculously good how they are performing, and it's been going at it for quite a little while as well, right? It's not like these moves are new, and these three coins have really been outperforming the market for a long period and kind of consistently. Now, these are also three of my top 5 coins, as I explained earlier, but today I want to give a little bit of an update on what's been going on with them. Vechain European cruise operator Colorline integrates MyCare. Now, earlier I explained to you guys how I think a lot of these coins will be valued upon how many people's lives they change, how often, for what extent, and for how long, really. Like the 3 or 4 factors of price. At least, when I say price, I mean true value of what they should be. But here, once more, we see that Vechain can operate in a crisis, like we're having right now in a pandemic, and really shine even by getting another really huge partnership going on, all with the help of DNVGL, and I'm really happy to see. With European cruise company Colorline, the next company will adopt MyCare, a solution developed by DNVGL and based on the Vechain blockchain. The MyCare assessment was carried out for all 6 Colorline passenger and cargo ships operating between Norway and Denmark, Germany, and Sweden. MyCare, the CV prevention solution jointly developed with GMVGL, of course, and Vechain, is enjoying increasing adoption, which really put Vechain on a whole different line in terms of progress during the pandemic, and especially by working with the DNVGL, it allows them to really reach these huge partners, right? Huge partners, huge partnerships that could come out of this. And I really don't know if they will be going from millions or billions of potential customers, or at least people they're going to be helping out with different things. But Vechain is really on a warpath right now. Now, that comes after this one announcement came up yesterday, which is Vechain becomes founding member of the blockchain consortium of San Marino. It says here, Vechain becomes a founding member of the first blockchain consortium of the Republic of San Marino to introduce the new technology in the country. With the consortium, the regulation as well as the adaptation of the blockchain in the state shall be advanced. Crazy, but it's Vechain, guys. I'm not even surprised anymore every time I see another huge announcement, or every time I see them say they got a national partnership or things like that going on. Because it just feels like it's a normal thing for Vechain. It just feels like they've been getting this stuff every single day, and that the progress is going to be immense, over time. And that this is all just tiny, weeny, small steps. Because they're going to get all the partners anyway, eventually. It just feels like that because they've been going so insane. But alright, let's move forward. Veteran Peter Brandt puts hope in Chainlink as price growth steadies. So the price growth has been steady for quite a while, and now some are saying that it broke out, I guess, a couple of weeks ago with some ridiculously hard movements. And Peter Brandt, a veteran trader which is against XRP but for crypto sometimes, says, "Hey Bob Lucas, great trade in Link. It's a lot of fun when a chart does what it is supposed to do. This was a beautiful ascending triangle, well done, like a pro." And I find it interesting that he's so happy about it. Because why? But maybe he made the trade himself. Maybe he's been going for it, which means he is happy with it. But I don't really know too much about that. What I do know, though, is that Chainlink has been outperforming and really did follow the pattern quite nicely. Now, in my opinion, it was like it's really difficult to chart this to see exactly what's going to be happening. However, he says it's just a normal ascending triangle, which it broke out of, which is normal. However, I was like, on a longer term basis, there's no real resistances anymore for Chainlink, as we are already at the top highest point. So I don't really know what's going to be holding them back, and exactly that is what you see here. There might have been a small resistance here at the quote-unquote all-time high, but we're just skyrocketing past that, and it's not like it's going to matter a lot, I think. Report: big four firms become crucial part of DeFi ecosystem. Let's wait 1 second, but first this article. Binance lists ADA and Link leverage tokens following altcoin price rally. CZ-led crypto exchange Binance lists Cardano and Chainlink leverage tokens as the price of both altcoins continue to soar. Binance will list ADA up, ADA down, Link up, and Link down leverage tokens, and that might be why these coins are performing a little bit better, because this means a lot of people will get wrecked, which is one thing, but another thing is that a lot of people will try to push their luck for Chainlink and ADA, which will most likely really get the attention on these coins a lot higher. A lot more people will know about it, a lot more people will notice that the coins are doing good. And look at this. Welcome to the CZ casino. That's that's a fun one. I like that. And by the way, if you are enjoying the daily crypto videos, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Binance, let's see here. Yeah, they listed it, so thus it will most likely be quite a little bit more people knowing about it, a little bit more adoption, a little bit more volume coming in from all of this, and it's just really good. The more you see this type of stuff. Then, report: big four firms to become crucial part of DeFi ecosystem by 2030. DeFi will see a number of bullish developments over the long term. The latest DGen report alleges. Okay, so big four accounting firms KPMG and Deloitte will become an important part of the DeFi in the coming decade, according to Berlin-based nonprofit tank DGen. Now, I don't think this is really strange or really something we should put too much interest into. However, look at this. Big Four? Whenever we're talking about the Big Four, we're talking about KPMG, EY, Deloitte, and PwC. Now, earlier we were talking about Deloitte possibly having some partnerships with Ripple because of some, I guess, some trend, like some splittings. However, PwC, we already know, has a partnership with Vechain and is already currently working on a steady scale with Vechain, and thus it's really likely that Vechain might have something to do with this as well, right? That Vechain, through all of this, might be getting a little bit further into a crazier partnership or something like that, or maybe also get themselves a real big role in DeFi. I'm keeping the options open as it's a really interesting article, but especially mentioning DNV or PwC. I'm really wondering what's exactly going to come from that, and how will it involve Vechain if it ever does. If it doesn't, then DeFi is cool, but there's nothing really that special at this point about it. So if it does include Vechain, it's a lot more important. Bitcoin creates bullish hammer above crucial moving average. The Bitcoin price is holding onto a support of the 50-day MA. BTC is trading at the support line of the parallel ascending channel, and the next closest support area is found at AT950. That's all I really wanted to tell you guys from this article, because you have to log in and I don't really care, but sometimes the small price hints might help you out a little bit with understanding what's going on. And then top 3 altcoins of the week: Chainlink, Cardano, and Tezos lead the way to the moon. And following a lot of these articles, and actually by checking out Live CoinWatch as well, I think I should also put a little bit more focus on Tezos, as they've been outperforming like crazy as well, and are actually really high at the 12th position, but they get a lot less attention. And I believe one of the reasons for that is we've gotten to this price way more often, and really Tezos is a little bit crazier of a coin if it comes to price movement, as it's not that correlated to the normal crypto. It has a completely different path in what it normally does, and it's kind of difficult to state exactly where it's headed and what its plans are. And also, I'm not seeing as many new things coming up for Tezos as I'm seeing with some other coins, which might also add to the whole situation. But yeah, I'm really wondering exactly what is to follow from all of this. Really wondering, guys, what exactly is to follow from all of this. Will Tezos be the #1 coin? Could Cardano be it? Could Chainlink be it? I don't think so, but still, these coins are doing so ridiculously well. Where will it stop? I don't think anybody knows, but I'm buying like crazy. I bought a couple of days ago, like 2 or 3, as I told you guys on Twitter, because it was just looking like these coins were going to take off once more, and let's hope we're right. All these coins are still explained in my top 5 video, by the way, because they're all fundamentally really solid and have a huge margin for profit still. Even though they might look to be at close to all-time high or all-time high points, it doesn't really matter for the longer term. And it doesn't really matter that they're already there, as they can just surpassed that like crazy without really much effort. Right now, you can see there are a couple of resistances for Tezos. However, I think you can just surge past it no problem with the right conditions. Ethereum lags breakout despite smaller coins such as Tezos, Chainlink, and Cardano spiking to monthly highs. Chainlink holds the 9th position with a market cap of 2.77 billion, and I personally think Chainlink will actually get to about 6 or possibly 7. It's already surpassed Litecoin to number 8. It can easily cross Bitcoin SV, and there's a potential of Chainlink actually overtaking Cardano as well. I mean, it's not that far-fetched, it's not that crazy. And for Cardano, it could really be that they're gonna go up a little bit even to the 5th position. It would also not be that crazy in my opinion, just for how it's looking like right now. I mean, Chainlink already went into the top 10 like there was no tomorrow just now. And same for Tezos. I mean, they're not that far off of EOS. I don't know if they can really get there in just one run. But for Chainlink and ADA, the upside is really, really good. I'm really wondering. And Vechain, it will definitely enter the top 15 any day now, as they were just like 33rd a little while ago, and they're already close to 50 now, which is just really insane. But guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you press the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in another one. It was just a quick update on these altcoins. Still holding, still really, really happy with them, and they've all gotten themselves some smaller positive news. With Cardano, maybe the only big part is that Charles Hoskinson keeps doing these live AMA sessions over on YouTube, which is just really, really amazing for if you want the newest updates. For the rest, all solid coins, all gonna be good, and I'll see you guys again in another crypto video.